what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us today, I am Miss Didi and you are welcome to Didi's World. So I want to thank everybody. I want to appreciate you for your support so far, for liking my videos, for commenting. Thank you so much. So today I'll be teaching you all how to add members to your Telegram group or channel using the app Mobogram. As you can see, I'll be dropping the link on the description below, so you just check the description for the link to download the app. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to share, and please hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to see my video once I drop them. Don't forget to help me share. We need to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of February. So let's go. Tutorial, you'll be needing the app Mobogram. You either go to your Play Store or you check the description below for it. So you click open the Mobogram. Yes, they are speaking their Arabic. Is this Arabic language? Don't worry, we change to English very soon. Just click on the blue button here and allow it to. So here we're going to choose your language. So go for English. Allow everything. So you're going to be putting in your number like the normal way you register for Bgram or for your Telegram. So once I'm done registering right now, I'm going to show you how the dashboard, everything will look like. So keep watch. So this is how it used to be. This is the background of Mobogram, like everything in Mobogram. So this is for it's like normal. The person, this is if you want to check your chats. This is for your group. This is for everything. This is for boats. This is for channels. So this is how it's like Telegraph. So this is how it used to be. Each of them they kind of categorize it, like unlike Telegram, everything is together. So now if you click on this dashboard here, you see all the mobile setting, username finder, contact teams. If you want to change track mode, you click on this moon diagram here, the moon diagram here. Don't worry, and it's on. Okay, awesome. So this is how it used to be. Now let's go on to create a group. So let me open this so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. You click on new charts. Click on new charts. Click on new group. If you want to create a channel, new channel, let's go for group. Tip, like normal ways of adding members to a group. Like tip as much as possible to avoid English and Oyibo. So you click on this arrow here, like the normal way of creating a group. Like let's use the name Word DD. Let's just use it. Sorry. Click on the good. And we give it some time to the magic. So if you are using like 4G phone, this is going to work very fast for you, like bam bam bam. This slow as usual 4G phone. So okay, it's strong enough. So we give it some time. So as you can see, I've created the group Word DD. So we have 5 members already. I've created the group like usual, everything. If you want to type, click on the message. If you want to send audio, okay. If you want to send audio, you see the audio stuff. You can click on the three dots for, like, this has the same thing with every other Telegram, Bigram, and every Telegraph. So you just try to figure it out. It's still the same thing. Search member, delete group. If you want to leave a return possibility, if you want to change your permission, administration members. I did a tutorial on this on my last 3 videos, I think. You can check it. You can check it for the tutorial. It's very, like, everything you have to know about Bigram. So now what as we are going to be doing is adding members to this group right now. As you can see, we have 5 members on the group. So as you know, I'll be teaching you how to add more members to this group, like unlimited. Just click on the word DD. You know what I clicked on? The diagram. Then you see add member. Click on add member. Now this is in Arabic, I don't understand that. So what you're going to do is, you see this kind of a book, a good, like a box that has a good sign. Click on it. As you can see, that ticked all the contacts you have. Like what I clicked on is the box with a good mark sign. Now you're going to be clicking on the one without the box, like a good without a box. Yeah, I will delete it because I don't have any message. Like, what this means, like, if you've been chatting, like your group has been busy, and now you want to add members to the already, like an old group, you want to add members to it. Like, what message do you want members to see? Is it from the beginning, 50 message, 70 message, and what's your last forwarded message? You understand? So since I had this is a new group, I just deleted it, so of no use. So I click OK. Yeah, okay. Then we leave the group. They will give it some time. It's going to add. As you can see, we've added members so far. Like, it's still loading. And you give it some time. Like, this app takes a long time to add members to a group. Like, it's not like other ones that just rush, like giving like 5 minutes. Like I said, my network is very poor. So that's how you add members to a group using Mobogram. So I'll be explaining more on this app, Mobogram. Unlike other apps like Telegram, Bigram, it doesn't add members like without having a contact. Before you're able to add, like 27 I've added so far. Like, I think it should be up to 50 or something that will be adding, due to the fact my contact is very low. And when I mean having contact, it should be mutual contacts. Mutual contact, I mean a number, like the way you save your best friend's number and your best friend saved your number. That's it. Like on Telegram, that not you both are mutual contacts. I don't even understand what I'm saying. So before you be able to add members on using Mobogram, you must have a mutual contact. Even if you have up to 100,000 contacts, and out of that 100,000 contacts, just 3 is mutual. It's going to be adding just 3. Like 3, the numbers that you and your contact saved your number, and you save your contact's number. So in order to add more using this app, I would advise you work on your contacts. Have more contacts, like keep on adding members to your phone book. I'd have like up to 4,000 mutual contacts, and you see this works perfectly. Mobogram. I'll be dropping the link on the description below in case you want to ask me any questions relating to how to add members on Mobogram. Don't forget, you'll be needing a lot of contacts. It's not like the other one, Telegram, that don't need contacts that much. If you want to add using this one, you need contacts. I don't know if you understand me. So you have to first work on your contacts. Have a lot of contacts on your phone. then you can now be able to add using this app, Mobogram. Now, if you have any other question to ask me, just drop it on my comment section. I would have gone back to check, but my network is very, very bad. It's disturbing. By now, it should be up to 70 members or 80 members. So this is it for today's tutorial. If you understood this video, please click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, and don't forget to comment. And for the link to download this app, I'll be dropping it on my description. So just take my description and you just say it. Thank you so much for viewing this video. I really appreciate you so much. Don't forget, in order to add members on Mobogram, build your contacts. See you next week. Bye. Mwah.